So that's how you work the system. However, there's another system as well, which is better in my opinion. So if you've got your charging lead for your phone, we'll just plug that in to one of the USB sockets in there. Plug it into your phone. Nothing seems to have happened at the moment. However, normally it would just go straight onto Apple CarPlay if your system was set up. So what we do, wind that across, you'll see Apple CarPlay there, click Apple CarPlay. Oh, there you go. It's allow CarPlay with Range Rover while phone is locked. Yes, you need to do that, that's quite important. So allow that. That's basically, I can put my phone down now. I don't need to do anything. That's actually come onto Audible. So to get the menu back on, we'll click all the squares there. That's the menu. Now, you don't need to touch the phone. Using the voice activation, if I click this for a couple of seconds, you'll see the Siri like baseball come up there. Navigate to McDonald's.
One option I see is McDonald's. Would you like to try that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to McDonald's. Starting route to McDonald's.
There you go. The green go button comes up.
West on Blackburn Road.
You can either press the button or just wait for it or just keep driving and it'll set it automatically. So we'll just do that again. Navigate to the Chill Factory, Manchester.
One possibility is Chill Factor on Trafford Way. Is that the one you're looking for?
Yes.
Getting directions to Chill Factor.
Now I've already put a navigate to McDonald's in the first thing. So that's saying add as a stop. So we'll be going to...
Your next stop is Chill Factor.
There you go. So that's added it in. So you can put a few stops in if you want. It's a pretty good system. That's the music symbol. And these are the last used things that come up, kind of like a quick menu. So if I click on tunes, it's just showing you there. It'll just shuffle through your tunes, or you can ask it to play a specific tune. Play Glory.
Here's Glory by The Score on Apple Music.
So, as I say, all you have to do, keep your finger on this button, the voice activation button, for a couple of seconds, and you can basically just do anything. Text Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
I'm sat in a Range Rover Vogue. It's absolutely fantastic.
It says, I'm sat in a Range Rover Vogue. It's absolutely fantastic. Send it.
Yes.
Done.
Now, as you know, you're driving along, somebody sends you a text, and you see people at traffic lights looking at trying to read the text and so on. When it's got Apple CarPlay, you don't need to do that. You heard the text come then. You can see there the text is up. That's because it's one of the last used ones. There's a little red circle in the top. That means you've got a message, obviously. However, if it was just on the actual screen, you'll see their messages in one. So we've got a text message. Now, a couple of seconds, voice activation. Read texts.
Barry sent a new message. I'm sat in a Range Rover Vogue. It's absolutely fantastic. Would you like to reply?
No.
Those are all your messages.
So it's a fantastic system. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.